When folk talk about the constellation of Orion, two stars are almost always the first out of the hat, Rigel and Betelgeuse. In fact, they're possibly the most famous stars of all other than our Sun. The thing is though, Orion contains as many as 7 stars in the top 100 brightest, equaled only by the constellation of Scorpio. 2 of those stars, the other stars that make up the famous Orion quadrangle asterism, are Saiph and Bellatrix. Hi everyone, Vega here, and in today's video we're going to focus on Gamma and Kappa Orionis, 2 of the most underrated stars of all, so let's get to it. Bellatrix is the 3rd brightest star in the Orion constellation, situated 5 degrees west of the red supergiant Betelgeuse. It is designated as Gamma Gamma Orionis. Its brightness varies slightly around magnitude 1.6, making it typically the 25th brightest star in the night sky. Located approximately 250 plus 10 light-years from the Sun, Bellatrix is a blue giant star that is around 7.7 times more massive than the Sun and has a diameter about 5.75 times greater. The name Bellatrix comes from the Latin word Bellatrix, meaning female warrior. The Gamma designation is commonly given to the 3rd brightest star in each constellation. Bellatrix has been used by scientists to measure brightness and study its spectrum. However, these measurements have proven to be somewhat unreliable. In 1963, Bellatrix was included in a group of stars for creating a brightness scale, giving it a specific brightness value of 1.64. Yet in 1988, a sky survey indicated that Bellatrix might vary in brightness, ranging from 1.59 to 1.64, suggesting possible irregular variations. In another era of calculation, this time in 1971, Bellatrix was considered a standard for the B23 star type, but subsequent brightness calculations showed a discrepancy. Scientists later realized it should be categorized as a B2 main sequence star, not a giant, and further analysis suggested it might be a spectroscopic binary composed of 2 less luminous stars. Current understanding suggests that Bellatrix is a massive star with about 7.7 times the mass and 5.8 times the radius of the Sun. While it's not confirmed to have a stellar companion, the possibility of being a spectroscopic binary has been raised. A search for nearby companions in 2011 didn't find conclusive evidence. Bellatrix has an estimated age of around 25 million years, old enough for it to evolve away from the main sequence into a giant star by consuming the hydrogen at its core. The proper motion of Bellatrix also has an unusual deviation, which may be explained by the presence of an unseen companion, like a black hole in a face-on orbit, about 100 astronomical units, AU, away from the star with a long orbital period. Bellatrix is the 3rd brightest star in Orion and the 26th brightest star in the night sky. Saiph, designated Kappa Orionis, is the 6th brightest star in the constellation of Orion, of the 4 bright stars that compose Orion's main.